So, how can we divide these two binary number? What is 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 divided by 10? So, how can we get the answer? So, the first number on the left is dividend. And we're dividing it by the divisor. And this will give us the answer, also known the quotient. We need to set it up as a long division. On the inside, you need to put the dividend. On the outside, the divisor. And at the top goes the quotient. And then you're gonna get the remainder at the bottom. So we need to set up the problem like this. So we have the binary number of 10, or the divisor on the outside. On the inside, the dividend 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Now, the quotient has two possibilities. The numbers on the top can either be 0 or 1. So how can we tell which one it's going to be? So first, let's compare the binary number 10 and the 0. So since 10 is greater than 0, so we put it 0. So 0, 0 and 1. Still, 10 is the most greater than 0 and 1 because it has an equivalent of 2. And this has the equivalent of 1. So 2 is the most greater than 1. So the result is 0. So we have 10. 10 is much lesser than 11. Because 10 has equivalent of 2, while 11 has the equivalent of 3. So since the 10 is much lesser than 11, the result is 1. So 1 times 10 is equals to 10. So 11 minus 10 is equals to 0, 0, 1. And we're gonna bring down the 0. So since the value are the same, the result is 1. Because 1 times 10 is equals to 10, and 10 minus 10 is equals to 0. So we're gonna put the 1. We're gonna bring down the 1. Since 10 is the most greater than 1, the result is 0. And we're gonna bring down the 0. And we still have the same value. So the result of it is 1. So 1 times 10 is equals to 10, and the remainder is 0. And we're gonna stop here in 0. So let's do the checking. So we have the dividend of 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, divided by the divisor of 1, 0, and the answer 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So how can we make sure that this is the answer? So we're getting it by using this. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So we have 16 plus 8 plus 2 is equals to 26, divided by 2. And we have 8 plus 4 plus 1 is equals to 13. So 26 divided by 2 is 13. So I've got the correct answer.